Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this COLBOR solar lights for outdoor use. It's an LED solar vintage light with motion sensor. We have 3 modes we can choose from. An IP65 waterproof model for the garage, for garden, for the yard, for the patio and so on. But it's a solar lamp. That means you does not need a power supply. The power supply comes from the sunlight. It's an outer solar LED light with energy class G. But it's operated without a wired connection to our power source, because we will need only light. Energy saving with solar power. We do not increase the electrical bill with that. The highly efficient wall light with 3-sided solar panels, which can absorb more solar energy. The charging efficiency is 26% higher than similar products on the market. After fully charged for 6 up to 8 hours under direct sunlight during the day, the solar wall lights can work all night long. And it's really easy to attach and to install. It does not require any cable. These outer solar lights can be successfully installed in only 3 steps with just 2 screws. There is the possibility to place it as a pretty decorative light anywhere, such as garden, garage, hallways, patio, balcony, villas, walkways, and so on. And then, if we install it, it's really easy. You can use 3 intelligent lighting modes. This auto motion sensor light is available in 3 lighting modes to meet our needs. Number 1. The solar light lights up to 30% all night and rotate up to 100% when a movement is detected. When it detects motion at the night, number 2, the motion sensor will turn on the wall light, automatically turn it off after 15 seconds without movement. And number 3, the light turns on automatically at night and stays with 30% brightness all night long. And then with the PIR motion sensor comes an improved motion sensor. This solar LED wall light detects movements up to 5 meters at an angle of 120 degrees. Automatically turns off during the day and turns on automatically when motion is detected at the night time. The light goes off after 15 seconds without movement. In one of the options, of course. And the IP65 waterproof is good for outdoor. The LED wall light is made of high-quality ABS material. The wall light can be work perfectly in any weather conditions with the waterproof rating of IP65. The outer wall lantern from dusk to dawn will never rust or corrode. Corrosion comes no time because it's made out of plastic. After years of use, no problem. With a considerate open bottom design, we can replace the E26 bulbs and clean the bulbs easily. This light is green energy, an antique style solar light. No wires are required. Easy to install, charging during the daytime, bright at the night time, and that's all automatically. The solar light is suitable for our front door, for a garden, barn, shed, yard, patio, platform, park, porch, steps, fence, driveway, farm, and so on. The solar panel comes with 6 volt, 1.5 watt. The lithium battery is 3.7 volt, 2200 mAh capacity. The output power is 1 watt. The LED comes with DC 3 volt, 1 volt LED light bulb, which you can replace. Color temperature is from 2700K up to 3500K in this case. The light bulb base type is an E26, E27 socket, so you can replace it easily. The luminous flux is 200 lumen. Lifespan is about 5000 hours, and the induction distance is 1 up to 5 meter. Charging time is 6 up to 8 hours. Waterproof level is IP65. The only thing we have to do is we press the on and off button to start the light and enter into mode 1, for example. We press the mode button to switch the lighting mode. Mode 1, dim to bright, induction mode. That means induction light color is red. Dim the light without sensing movement and the high light for 20 seconds when the sensor detects person movement. Back on dim light after no further motion is detected. Mode 2, this is the indicator light is green. Highlights for 20 seconds when detects person movement, then turn it off. And mode number 3 indicates light blue. It will always light at the night without induction functions. So this is always on. We have a power switch, we have a sensor, and a mode button. That's all. And it's easy. We press it to the wall, then we tighten 2 screws to it, and job's done. Only push the button to switch it on or off, and after this, job's done. As the light is solar powered, it is connected closely with weather, angle, and strength of sunlight. Recommended install on the south side. It's the best thing. The battery lifetime is more than 5 years. We do not put the battery in the fire to avoid explosion, and we keep the solar panel clear, of course. And the big important is let the solar panels not covered with dirt or something, because the solar power needs energy from the sun, and the sun is shining all day, and you will have a good night. This is the COLBOR solar lights for outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.